So here is how you can add an overlay in your Capcut editing project. So first you want to click on new project, and then now you want to find a photo that you want to add as the main photo. So I'm going to click on this one right over here. Now once you got your main photo, all you have to do is, let's get rid of this part right over here, is simply click on the add button on the right hand side and then just add the overlay photo that you want. So I'm going to use this one right over here. And now simply click on the second photo that you want it to become an overlay as. And then at the bottom, you want to scroll until you find what says literally just overlay. Right over here, click on the overlay button. And then now you want to drag it right under it, just like that. And so as you can see, this has become an overlay and is sitting on top of the first photo. What you can also do, which is a lot easier way, is to simply at the bottom, you can just see there's a option that says overlay next to the stickers option. Just click on that, add overlay, add the same overlay, and there you go. That is also another way.